Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at the present simple. We use the present simple in English to talk about things that are generally true all the time. For example, my wife is a doctor. It's true today, it was true yesterday, it will be true tomorrow. My wife is a doctor. I am a teacher. It's true all the time. To make questions and negatives, we use do or does. For example, I come from England. Where do you come from? I don't go away very often. Rice doesn't grow in cold climates. So, English grammar, present simple, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye.